the number of winners if the total number of participant is 63. ओके बहुत ही इजी क्वेश्चन है. 3000 रुपीज टोटल प्राइज मनी है, 63 टोटल पार्टिसिपेंट है, उसमें से जो विन कर गया उसको 100 रुपीज देना है, जो विन नहीं कर पाया उसको 25 रुपीज देना है. तो हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स आर विनर एंड हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स आर लूजर, बस इतना सा हमको फाइंड करना है. ठीक है, तो जल्दी से देख लो यहाँ पर क्या है क्वेश्चन पूरा. क्वेश्चन कुछ इस तरीके दिया है कि टोटल प्राइज मनी इज गिवन, टोटल प्राइज मनी is 3000 rupees, right? Okay, second thing, it is given that total number of participant, it is also given, it is 63. Now we are supposing that number of students who are winner or number of winners, we are supposing that number of winners, we don't know how many students are winner, so we are supposing that number of winners are x student. Clear all of you? So it means total number of students are 63. So we can say that number of losers means the remaining students are loser. If number of winners are x, then number of losers are the remaining students out of 63. So we can say that number of losers are 63 minus x. Are you getting this concept? Yes or no?
Yes sir.
मान लो कि 10 स्टूडेंट है वो विन कर गए, तो बाकी के कितने स्टूडेंट बचे? तो 63 माइनस 10, 53 स्टूडेंट्स है, वो क्या हो गए? लूजर. सो वैसे ही यहाँ पर हमको नंबर नहीं पता, इसलिए हम वेरिएबल सपोज कर रहे हैं. कौन सा वेरिएबल सपोज किया हमने? एक्स. नंबर ऑफ विनर्स आर एक्स, देन नंबर ऑफ लूजर्स आर 63 minus x. Now we know that if any student who win the essay competition, they get 100 rupees as a gift, and if they are not winner, then they get 25 rupees, and the total prize money is 3000 rupees. It is the prize money of winner student, it is the prize money of loser student, but the total 3000 rupees it is given. Clear all of you? So it means we have to solve this equation. 100 into x means 100x plus 63 into 25. Multiply 63 into 25 and give me answer. 25 6 is 150 and 25 3 is 75. It means 1575
Okay sir, very good sir.
minus 25x is equal to 3000 rupees. Okay, now we can see we can add or subtract like terms. So here we have to subtract 100 minus 25, 75x plus 1575 is equal to 3000. Okay, we have to find the value of x, and for this we are taking this 1575 to the right side.
सर सर ये
Yes, beta.
75x के बाजू में क्या लिखा है?
कहाँ पर?
प्लस यहाँ पे 75x प्लस करके 15 के बाद क्या लिखा है?
कहाँ पर?
यहाँ पर, यहाँ बस ये दूसरी लाइन. हाँ
हाँ,
ये
ये
15 के बाजू में क्या है?
75.
सर समझ में भी नहीं आता सर, आड़े तड़ानो लिखो.
Okay, now we can see here 75x is equal to 3000 minus 1575. What is the answer? 1425, right? Yes, exactly, 1425. So if you want to get the value of x, we have to divide with 75, right? So we can divide, you can see 25 3s are 75. Here you can see we can divide 25 5s are 125, and 17 and 5 175, so 25 7s are. So we get 57 divided by 3, and again we can divide 19 3s are 57. So we get x is equal to 90. Okay, so it means Number of winners are 19 and number of losers are 63 minus 19. It means 44. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Girls,
Yes, sir.
so like this we have to solve every problem question. Okay, now write down fast question number 16.
Sir, done.
Written all of you girls.
Yes, sir.
Yes. 2 minutes, sir.
Yes, sir.
बाकी है अभी. Girls,
Yes, sir.
written all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we are starting exercise 2.3. 2.3 exercise, it is very simple exercise. There are 10 questions in this exercise and it is very simple. Okay, remember exercise 2.1 in which we have directly given the equation and we have to solve this equation and find out the value of variable. Like this, we have to do in exercise 2.3. But what is the difference between 2.1 exercise and 2.3 exercise? The basic difference is in 2.1 exercise, you can see in every question variable on the left side and the numbers are on the right side. But in exercise 2.3, whenever you solve the questions in which numbers and variables are both the side. So first we have to convert. We are taking variable left hand side and number right hand side. I am giving you simple example. You can see 2x plus 3 is equal to 5x minus 7. Right? You can see in which we have variable on the both side, number both side. So first we are taking simplification. So we are taking 2x to the right side and this minus 7x to the left side. So it's become plus. So we get 7 plus 10, 7 plus 3, 10, 5x minus 2x, 3x. Now we are changing the position of this 2. X is equal to, we get 10 by 3. So like this, we have to solve every questions of exercise 2.3. Clear all of you? So
Yes,
it
sir.
means it is very easy exercise. It is very easy exercise. Okay. Okay, now we can see the first question. 3x is equal to 2x plus 80. 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. Okay. Now you can see we have to take 2x to the left side. Yes or no? Yes or no? 2x को हमको लेफ्ट साइड लेना होगा कि नहीं?
Yes.
So it means
Yes.
3x minus 2x is equal to 80. So 3x minus 2x, it is x is equal to 80. Right? Now we can see second question. 5t minus 3, 3t minus 5. 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. So again same thing, we are taking variable to the left side and number to the right side. So 5t minus 3t is equal to this minus 3 we are taking right side, so it's become plus. So 3 minus 5. 5t minus 3t, it is 2t is equal to 3 minus 5 minus 2. So we get t is equal to minus 2 by 2. So we get 2 2s are 1. What is the value of t? Minus 1. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then you can see question number 3. 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. Okay, we are taking variable to the left side and number to the right side. So it means 5x minus 3x is equal to 5 minus 9. Okay, tell me 5x minus
So the
3x,
before
it is
online
2x. 5 minus 9,
before
it is
online
minus
classes
4.
होता ना
So we get what?
before होता ना online class બે
શું કીધું બેટા? Please mute your mic and see on my screen and listen me carefully. These all questions are very simple, but you have to remember some pattern. So please see here carefully. 2 2s are 4. So we get x is equal to minus 2. Okay. Now you can see question number 4. 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. Okay, so we are taking variable to the left side. 4z minus 2z is equal to 6 minus 3. So what is the answer? 4z minus 2z, it is 2z. 6 minus 3, it is 3. So we get z is equal to 3 divided by 2. It is the value of variable. Now you can see question number 5. 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. Okay, we are taking variable to the left side. So minus x become plus x and plus, sorry, minus 1 become plus 1. So 2x plus x, it is 3x is equal to 14 plus 1, 15. We get x is equal to 15 divided by 3. 3 5s are 15. So what is the value of variable? 5. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Then question number 6. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 in bracket x minus 1 plus 7. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 in bracket x minus 1 plus 7. Okay, now you can see first we have to solve this bracket because of it is distributive property. So 3 into x, 3x minus 3 ones are 3 and plus 7. Again, you can see on the right hand side we have two like term minus 3 and 7. So we can subtract 7 minus 3 plus 4. Now we are taking variable to the left side and number to the right side. So we can see 8x minus 3x 5x is equal to 0. So we get x is equal to 0. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Then question number 7, x is equal to 4 by 5 in bracket x plus 10. X is equal to 4 by 5 in bracket x plus 10. Okay, simply we are multiplying this. Wait for a minute. We are writing this question on the above because of
सर ये सब एक साथ लिखने दोगे ना सर?
यस, लिखने दूंगा ही ना, क्या मेरे लिए लिख रहा हूँ क्या? x is equal to 4 by 5 in bracket x
नहीं
plus
सर, सिर्फ वैसे ही बोल रही हूँ।
क्या?
नहीं सर, सिर्फ वैसे ही एक साथ लिखने दोगे ना, सब पूछ रही थी सर।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, कोई बात नहीं। अरे मैं भी मजाक कर रहा हूँ यार।
सर मैं भी मजाक कर रही हूँ।
Okay, now recording is going on. Please see here. X is equal to 4 by 5 in bracket x plus 10. First, we are multiplying this 5 to this variable x. Why? Because of 5 is in denominator. We are taking this 5 into numerator on the left hand side. So 5 into x, 5x is equal to 4 in bracket x plus 10. Now you can see we are multiplying this 4 into x, 4x plus 4 into 10, 40. It is distributive property. Now if you want to find the value of x, we are taking this 4x to the left side. So we get 5x minus 4x is equal to x, x is equal to 40. Clear all of you? It is question number 7. Then question number 8. 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15. 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. Okay. Now you can see we are taking a variable to the left side. 2x by 3 minus 7x by 15 and number to the right side. So become 1 become negative. 3 minus 1. Okay, on the left hand side you can see if you want to add or subtract these two numbers, first condition is we have equal denominator. But you can see here on the first term 2x by 3 denominator is 3 and in the second term denominator is 15. So we are multiplying first term with 5. So we get 5 threes are 15 and then our denominator will be equal and we can add or subtract numerator easily. So you can see 5 threes are 10. Mute your mic. 5 threes are 10x by 15 minus 7x by 15 is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. Now we can see we can easily subtract numerator. Why? Because of we have equal denominator. So 10x minus 7x, it is 3x by 15 is equal to 2. Now we can see 3x is equal to 15 into 2. So we get 3x is equal to 30. And if you want to find x, we are dividing with 3. So we get 3 tens are 30. We get x is equal to 10. Clear all of you? It is your question number 8. Then question number 9 and then question number 10. And then after, if you want to write down every question, you can write. Okay? 2y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 2y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 26 by 3 minus y. It is your question number 9. Okay, now we are taking variable to the left side. So 2y, this minus y it's become plus. And 26 by 3, we are taking 5 by 3 to the right side. So it's become negative. 2y plus y, it is 3y is equal to 26 minus y, 21 divided by 3. No. We are missing one step. 3 denominator is common, so we can subtract numerator easily. 3y is equal to 26 minus 5, 21 by 3. So we get 3y is equal to 3 7s are 21, we get 7. Then y is equal to, what is the answer? 7 by 3. We cannot divide 7 by 3, so it is your final answer. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Galas, clear.
Yes.
And then last question of this exercise 2.3, 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. We are taking 5m to the left side. Why? Because of it is variable. So 3m minus 5m is equal to minus 8 by 5. 3m minus 5m, it is minus 2m is equal to minus 8 by 5. Now you can see we can easily remove this negative sign because of negative signs are on the both sides. So we get 2m is equal to 8 by 5. Now we have to find m. So we are sending this 2 to the denominator. And you can see 2 4s are 8. So we get m is equal to 4 divided by 5. Here your exercise 2.3 completed. Om Swaha. जल्दी से लिख लो. चलो जल्दी से लिखो.
सर 9 का ऊपर वाला नहीं दिखता है.
तो पहले
तो
1 to
पहले
8
वन
तो
टू एट
कंप्लीट
का
करो,
कंप्लीट
बाद में
करो,
7
बाद
to
में
9
7
को
को
कर
जॉइन कर
देना.
दूंगा.
ओके.
ओके.